It's raining, and we vibin'.
Cute.
Thank you. Ah! I got a titty slap. I told Oscar that I'm like, yo, I got a titty slap, and then he was like, ha ha ha. Ha! That laugh.
Wait, I need to set some here. You're not good at it this way? No?
The other way.
Yeah. But not down, right?
Down is okay, but like, oh hell no.
You boy. You boy.
No.
You boy, fully you boy right here.
No. Put it back. Put it back. Oh god, it's raining more. Smecky.
I'm so wet. Okay, I think we should head home.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna jump out from this tree. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. William, take the phone. Don't end the recording.
Put up your sleeves.
Oh god, I'm sorry.
Put up your sleeves.
God, did you end it?
Yes.
Bruh.
This will be part 2.
Oh yes, part 2.
You always need a part 2?
Oh no, it's getting go. It's raining. It's actually raining now. No.
Just hit a reel. Should hit the fan.
I still have my money. Yes, I still have my $10.
Is that your stripper money?
Hell yeah.
I got a lap dance and everything.
I'm so wet. Oh my god, no.
That can be taken out of context. We need that glamour shot. Do a smile. Do the smile.
Okay.
Do the car feel.
The what?
Do the car feel.
As you can tell, it's actually raining because my shirt's wet.
Oh, that's hot. I'm joking.
You weird. No, I'm kidding. It's fine.
I'm done.
You're fine, my boy. Oh. He said, okay, apparently he's my slave. I love how I just keep my jacket off. I didn't even put it back on. Oh shit, our bikes! They're gonna get wet. No. I gotta go. We're going. It's so nice though. No, my sketchbook is wide open.
God, the hentai got wet.
The hentai got wet. No, the hentai's in there.
Oh no. The lunchbox that carries the hentai got wet. Why does your parents check your supplies?
They never do.
Damage.
Never do. Yeah, but I drew hentai. Oh my god, my hoo-hoo. My vagina wet. Oh,
Do you think you can hang out tomorrow?
yeah.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Alright.
At the homies do, man.
Yeah.
Hurry up.
I know, I'm trying. No. Fuck. Hold the phone. Or just end it and put it in the pocket for me, please.
Hey, this is William, and welcome to my list of top 10 ethnicities, best to worst. Number 1, Caucasians. Why can't y'all just be like us? Number 2, Indians. They treated us like gods, but we killed them in the end. That's why number 2 on the list. Number 3, Asians. Hentai.
Yes!
Number 4, I didn't ask for your opinion. Number 4, monkeys. I think we all know what that means. Number 5, Canadians. They're so nice. Number 6, game Canadian monkeys. That's it. Number 7, Kermit the Frog. Kermit the Frog died from a drug overdose in 1985. Miss Piggy was there to witness it. Did not call, because she was cheating on Kermit the entire time. Number 8, Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen died to Sally, because they were having too hardcore. And number 10, women. Good for y'all.